Hi everyone, this is Sandy with Create the Heart, and today I wanted to do a project share using mostly Lawn Fawn products. So some of them are new and some of them are older. So let's go ahead and get into it. The first thing I wanted to share with you guys is a card that I used a couple different things. I used the trees from this Yeti Set Go. And let's see, what else did I use? I didn't use the dies for this. I used this one. This is the village shops, and I kind of used it like they were village houses, which I don't have. I kind of wish I did. I used the tree in this one as well, and I used, what did I use out of this one? I used like the snow hill thing, and I used the little village tree thing. I'll show you in a second. And then I used the Oh What Fun, which is brand new. And so this is the card that I made. And so you can see that I used the little village shops here. And then these are the trees. And I covered them with enamel, what is this stuff called? The Crystal Drops from Nuvo. So it gave it a kind of a shine, a little bit of a realistic look too. Looks pretty cute. And then I used the Oh What Fun up here. And I did some stickling. And here's the sentiment, Oh What Fun. This paper I'll show you in just a second. This is the hills that I used, as well as this like little tree lined die that can go right behind a hill. So that's my card right there. And the paper that I used is this one right here, which is Joyful, which is one that I got from Tuesday Morning. And let me show you the next card that I made. I made this one, which might be one of my favorite ones. Now this one, I used this paper, which is Hot Cocoa, which I also got from Tuesday Morning. Very cute, a little rustic. Really like it. I probably will be making some other cards with that because this weekend it's going to be big card making. But I really like how this card came out. And with that, I also used the Cat Scrappiness, my favorite little layering dies for this piece right here. And I used my Copics to color it in. And it's a simple card, but I think it's just really cute. Really, really cute. So I really like that one a lot. And then this card right here, I didn't pull the die that makes this, but there's two different ones. There's one that makes it this orientation, and there's one that makes it this other orientation. I have them both. Both really, really cute, and they come with like little leaves, so you can make it fall or spring, and then it comes with the hill. And so it's probably one of my favorite lawn fawn dies. I use this one quite often, and it's great for any season. But I used for that one, I used this Nutty or Nice, and this was a September stamp set. I always get the lawn fawn ones because they are really super cute. And so this one, I could see you using it for fall, for winter. I mean, you have some other kind of options, birthday and so on. I think it's very, very cute. And so it's called Nutty or Nice, and I bought the ones with the dies. Did I use the dies? I used a die for the snowman and then the squirrel. The ornaments I just cut out by hand. And so all I did was just cut everything out and kind of layer it up. And I did use some stickles. It just says Nutty or Nice. A bunch of stickles on there. It's really shiny and pretty. I use that along with this paper right here, which is perfectly plaid. So love this paper, and I use that. And then I don't know if I showed you the stamp set for the coffee one. And then the last one I want to show you is this one right here. So this one I use the Ready Set Snow. I actually don't have the dies for this. I'm going to look into getting them because I think I could really use the dies for this particular one. But Ready Set Snow. And so for this one, I just used some paper that I already had laying about. This is from the Snow Freeze paper right here. And then I just used a tag. I think this is a Cat Scrappiness tag, I think. And then I just went ahead and layered my snow globe. And I stamped the snow globe on this paper, which also is from Snow Freeze. And then I just cut a little hill to have my snowman sitting on. And it just says Merry Christmas. Super simple and super cute. So we'll go over the cards again. So it's this one right here, this one, and this one. So thank you for watching. This is Cindy, Creating the Heart.